Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by washing your stainless steel pan with warm water and mild soap. Rinse thoroughly and dry completely with a clean towel. Place the dry pan on the stove and heat on medium for 1 minute. This step opens the metal pores and prepares the surface. Add 1 teaspoon of neutral oil, such as canola or grapeseed, to the hot pan. Heat the oil to medium-high until it shimmers. Now your pan is ready for food without sticking. Preheat the stainless steel pan on medium for 1 minute to reduce sticking. Add the oil and increase heat to medium-high until the oil shimmers. Place proteins or vegetables gently into the hot oil and leave undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes. Use a thin metal or silicone spatula to lift and check the sear. If the food releases, flip it and continue cooking to desired doneness. Lower heat to medium when finishing thicker items to avoid burning the exterior. After cooking, let the pan cool slightly for a few minutes before cleaning. Rinse with warm water and wash with mild soap using a soft sponge. For stuck food, add 1 cup water and 1 tablespoon baking soda, then simmer to loosen residue. Scrub gently with a non-abrasive pad and rinse thoroughly. Dry immediately with a soft cloth to prevent water spots and maintain shine. Occasionally apply a light coat of oil and buff to preserve the stainless surface and prevent rust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.